Hello, good morning, warm welcome. It is time to read the Economic Times newspaper and check out how you can use the business information that is filled in this newspaper. Well, I've been reading throughout the morning. I spent about today more than 45 minutes on the Economic Times paper. I'm not paid by Economic Times to do this decoding. I'm doing this because I know that you all are committed to your financial growth, and reading about financial news, decoding it, getting into an inquiry about it can make a significant difference to your money life. So inside of this commitment only and to build your daily routine, I am bringing this decoding for you. Today when I was reading the newspaper for 45 minutes, man, there was so much I could talk about. I was all confused. Oh my God, should I talk about the Elon Musk Twitter story? Should I talk about Paytm? Should I talk about all the investments which is coming into Razorpay? What do I talk about today? There is so much. And I think this is my struggle every Friday because, there is so much to talk about. But, I bring about one article yet again, and today the article that I'm going to talk about is about the stock market. And before we move, let's welcome each other. Hi Ritu, Diksha, Kaveri, Preeti, good morning. Good morning my people, warm welcome. What an absolute privilege having you guys. So today the article that I'm going to talk about, like I said, is on the stock market, and the stock market rose. Big gains were seen in the stock market for the second straight day in, and big gains. So before I move on to that, I want to know how many of you really invest in the market. Type in me if you invest in the market. Let's see how many of us do. Hi Amira, welcome. So how many of you right now are investing in the stock market? Got it. Preeti is, Diksha is, Kaveri, you invest. Hi Sunita, good morning. Got it. Who else is investing in the stock market? And well, Kaveri is saying even the same story is with ET Wealth, because there's so many interesting stories and she's always guessing which one we're going to decode. Sunita, you're investing in the stock market. Okay. So we have some of us who are investing in the stock market. Ritu, you're getting your accounts organized and starting very, very soon. Sure. Hi Lara, welcome. Okay, got it. Nima, you investing? Got it. Brilliant. So while some of us are investing, some of us are not investing, most of us know, well, stock market, investing in the stock market is one of the top ways to create wealth. So inside of that commitment, of having each one invest intelligently, knowledgeably in the stock market, I'm talking about this article. So, Indian stocks, they have surged for the second day in a row on Thursday, and they have mirrored overnight gains in the US market. So, the US markets went up and most of the Asian markets also went up. So, just barring China and Hong Kong, all the Asian markets went up, and India has shown good gains, big gains into the second straight day. So foreign portfolio selling has slowed down, and this is in comparison to the previous 3 trading sessions that had happened, and Nifty has crossed 17,350 points. Right? So it closed at 17,392. That's where it closed, and a lot of financial analysts said yesterday that it has breached a resistance level. What is resistance? This is something and it's resistance. So the market will go up and come back, go up, come back until it can breach that resistance. So the resistance is breached yesterday. It has gone beyond 17,350, which financial analysts were saying was the resistance point. And what does that mean? Breaking the resistance means the market is going to go further up, and again, that's a forecast. Nobody knows the future. This is not the truth. These are all speculations which are happening in the short run. Well, in the long run, you and I know that the markets only go up, right? The markets only go up, they keep going up. So both indices, whether it's Nifty or Sensex. So what are indices? These are group of stocks put together. So Sensex is under the Bombay Stock Exchange, Nifty is under the National Stock Exchange. Both of them the biggest indices in our country. Okay, group of stocks in our country, biggest group of stocks. So both the indices, they rose 1% in the previous trading session after declining almost 5% in the previous 5 days till Tuesday. Now other Asian markets, which is like I said, barring China and Hong Kong, they gained on Thursday, shrugging off the rebound in US bond yields. Well, if you know, then the US Federal Reserve, like there's RBI here, Reserve Bank of India is here, the Bank of Banks, the same way is the US Federal Reserve, right? The Bank of Banks there in the US. And what it has been doing is, just in order to beat the inflation rate, which is rising at its fastest pace in 40 years. Because inflation is rising so much, there were high bond yields that were given by the US Federal Reserve. And on Thursday, this has come down. Okay. So it's saying on Thursday, Wall Street's 3 main indices fell after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said a 50 basis point interest rate hike was on the table. Well, it was not done as yet. Markets rebound, markets are back up, and Reliance Industries is at its almost as its high, all-time high. Okay, so Reliance Industries has gone up to 2,788 rupees. And the stock has surged 8.6% just in the last 4 trading sessions. So that has happened. What are you guys getting? Please start typing. For your personal portfolios, what are you getting present to? Hi Rupali. Okay, you haven't started investing yet. Kaveri, early in the week was such a dip and that it's taking some time for individual stocks to reflect the gain. Sure. Hi Deepi. Ritu, so if we are investing in companies from NSE, Nifty, then we shouldn't be looking at Sensex at all. Yeah, you can be looking at Nifty. Majorly, I look at Nifty. Yeah, you can look at Sensex as well. Doesn't make too much of a difference. It just informs almost the same things. Yeah. So Sensex is group of 30 stocks, Nifty is group of 50 stocks, top 50 stocks in the country, top 30 stocks in the country. That's how it is, Ritu. Preeti, as usual, what you're getting is, as always, stay invested in solid companies. Yes, let's stay invested. Let's stay put. Absolutely. What is everybody getting? What are you understanding today? What are you learning? I'm loving all the thumbs up and hearts coming my way. Thank you guys. Ritu, one of your mentors said that we cannot make A-class dish from B-grade ingredients. Okay. I like that one. I like that woman. Lara, Priyanka, what do you think about Reliance? I'm so tempted to buy. No recommendations. I'm not a broker. I'm not an advisor. Lara, I've taught you the step-by-step methodology to pick good quality stocks. Use that methodology. Check if Reliance passes the test. And if it does, then you invest. If it doesn't, then you let it go. Kaveri, what goes down will come up. Just have faith in your study. Long-term investors. Sure. Ritu, so invest in A-class companies. Rinku, you're saying I'm looking pretty. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm all set to celebrate the haldi ceremony of my brother-in-law today. My devar is getting married. So today is his haldi ceremony and yeah, I am engaged for the full day. I am the one who is in charge. Ritu, yes, invest in A-class companies after careful study. Preeti, stay informed. Don't get swarmed by noises in the market. Rupali, today you understood what's Nifty, Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange. At least that's a good start. Sure. I'm glad each one of you is taking 1% improvement back into your money life. Let's keep adding to each other. Let's keep building each other up. So your job is to build women on wealth and yourself, and my job is to build you and women on wealth. So let's keep doing that. Loads of love on that account, everybody. Take charge, stay safe, and now I see you on Tuesday for the decoding of the ET Wealth newspaper. Take charge.